Welcome back to Learning Hockey with Jude Felix Sebastian, Olympian, former Indian national team captain, and Arjuna Dronacharya Awardee. If you missed the previous two videos on goal scoring, go watch them now, before this session on goalkeeping.
Hi guys, welcome back to yet another episode with me, Jude Felix, teaching you hockey skills to become a hockey champion. Today's episode is goalkeeping, and with me I have Dharmender, who's actually a goalkeeper, but don't be surprised watching him without his gear, because that's what you need to do, teaching young kids the art of goalkeeping. You need to first make them comfortable with their movements without the goalkeeping gear, which is what we are doing, and he will be doing a basic warm-up. It's a very basic warm-up. Then we come to the specific hockey warm-up, and then of course he'll be wearing his gear and showing us his skills of goalkeeping. Okay, so let's get started with the very basic warm-up. Ready? Yeah, you can go. So he's basically closing down. He's closing down forward. One more time from the start. So he's a forward run, and there's a backward run, then there's a shuffle to the left and a shuffle to the right. Okay, that's one of the, just to get footwork and get going. Okay, then we come to the next warm-up, general warm-up, closing down, going back, closing down on the right and closing down on the left. One more time. So he's basically closing down the center, then he closes down on the right, and then of course he closes down on the left. Well done. Then we come to the third warm-up, which is moving from post to post, looking at the ball, and as the ball moves to the sides, he's also covering the ball, looking at the ball. So that's a very general warm-up that we are doing. That's good. So now we come to the specific hockey warm-up, hockey goalkeeping skill warm-up, which you're going to see. The first one he's going to do is save with a single step, one-step save. We call it a one-step save. And depending after you save, just wait there. Chin, toe, everything in line, same line. Okay, this is a very basic one-step save, as you can see, on the right and on the left. So if you notice, your chin, knee and toe have to be in the same line when he saves. Face out. Chin. Yeah, that's more or less his chin, knee and toe in the same line. Okay, so that's a save. That's a single step save. Okay, now we can do a double step save. A double step save is what he's going to do to cover more space. Stop and do it. Stop, go, double step, go. Yeah, that's a double step save from his feet. Now we have the save on his left hand. Let's go. That's a save on with his glove. Okay, let's go. That's with a stick. A stick glove stick save, and that's midway through. He has saved midway through, and on this side as well. That's it. Then we come to the split. Now we are progressing to more difficult saves. So now he's going to do a split where he's going to save like this with a split. You notice how balanced he is, and a very quick split. Okay, well done. Okay. Then we come to the close in and sliding tackle. And stop there. Okay. When you come here, you can stop. So he's actually saved and he's kicked the ball with this part of the feet. Just come and stop there. Stop there. So we can show. On that one you can show. But go down. Yeah. That's a part. As you can see, he has saved. He has done the split and save clearance. He's also cleared. So this is for the higher level of goalkeeper saving. Okay. So we have covered more or less the basics of the actual goalkeeping specific warm-up exercises. So what we're going to do is get Dipinder to gear up completely, and then we will get back and follow through with the remaining skills of goalkeeping with the complete gear. Now that we have our goalkeeper ready, all geared up, something very important when you're teaching young children is to make them walk with the pads first, make them comfortable. Otherwise, they would be very feeling very uneasy. So make them walk first, a bit of running, and then they should be ready to start doing all the goalkeeping skills and saves. Okay. Go back. Go back. Running. So you can do this walk and running till you think they are comfortable with the gear that they have started to wear. Okay, now we come to the single step save on the left hand side. Single step. Now on the right hand side, the single step save with his right foot. Notice how when he's doing this, his chin, knee and toe are in the same line. That's important. Okay, now we have the glove save on the left hand side. And then of course on the right hand side, the stick glove save. Okay, now we have the split save where he splits and saves on his left and right hand side. We do one on the right with his right leg, the split on the right leg. Well done. So now we come to the running forward and saving with the slide. One minute, this way. Center first. Well done. Now we do the quick reflexes save, where you can have the goalkeeper turn around and on a call he turns around and tries to save the ball. Of course, he does not know where the ball is going to come. That's why it's called a quick reflex save. And as you teach young children, you can be a little slow, and depending on how good he is, you can speed up the exercise from here to get him better. So start from very slow to the more complex or more faster sending of the ball from here. Yes. 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 Okay. Now we have hits coming from different angles, from the right, center and left. So that way he knows how to position. As you can see, he's already taken position, well covering, getting his right side covered well. Of course, the first post, and then he's going to be saving from different angles and moving as well from different, getting his positions right basically. Okay, let's go. Okay, now we do 3 different saves. It's a 3 save exercise where we have different skills coming in, and he does all of this. Okay, go. One more time. Well done. So that was the three save exercise. I'm sure you learnt quite a bit where goalkeeping skills is concerned, and do like and share the video, and of course don't forget to subscribe to our channels. And I wish all goalkeepers well, because you are one of the most important players playing on the team. Well done until our next episode. Thank you.